This is the Royalton Hotel in Grenada. It's just a stone's throw from the international airport, so if you haven't got that much luggage, it is within walking distance. I stayed 4 nights here from Thursday the 22nd of December to Monday the 26th of December 2022, and just outside the hotel this is just a view of the backdrop. So I'm going to give you my review of my 4 nights here. As you will see, we have some resident cats along the way. I've seen about 2 or 3 of them in the resort. This is just a walk up to their main reception area, and as you can see, the grounds are very well kept. So kudos must go to the servicemen for maintaining the gardens. They're doing a very, very good job of it. So I'm just approaching the lobby now. And as you can see, there's another Royalton Grenada sign here. And they've got some Christmas decor displayed on the grass. Again, the area is very well maintained surrounding the lobby area. And we have a number of service workers that greets the guests when they arrive. So this is their lobby area. It's their courtyard, which is very beautifully laid out. They have got several bars around the hotel to keep the guests happy. And this is where they have the entertainment at night time. So over to my right, this is where they have the shows and the DJ plays along that podium area. They have another bar here, and these TV monitors normally play sports games. The grounds look very beautiful as usual. The rooms are at the top. Here. Morning. There is a lake or lagoon over to the right-hand side of the grounds. This is the club kids' house over to my left. And this pathway leads you onto the beach area. So there's another bar here. And as I approach the beach area, there's a chase game there that you can play. And you have the sandy beaches just in front of me. They have a bulletin board here, or a notice board, of all their entertainment for the day or the week ahead. So this is one of the access areas to my room. There's no elevator service here, so it's a little bit physically challenging if you don't like steps. Otherwise, it's good exercise. So as you can see, the stairs to go down to the main pathway. Again, if you have a room up on the 2nd or 3rd floor, there's no elevator service, as I mentioned, so you have to walk up some more flights of stairs. I'm in the 11th block, so I'm now approaching my room. They give you this wrist device when you check in, so you just tap it against the door and it allows you access through to your room. So this is the view from my balcony, and as you can see, I have got breathtaking and stunning views of the sea, beach area, the lake or lagoon opposite, and there's some houses up in the valleys. So the Royalton Hotel Grenada opened in 2020 because it used to be called the Rex, and they took over the actual service of the hotel, refurbished it and rebranded it as the Royalton Hotel. They have 4 restaurants, which I believe are an Italian, French, Indian and a buffet restaurant. I didn't walk around all of the area of the hotel. They have got a diamond service here for those who pay like a premium charge, which is to the left-hand side of the hotel. But this is just my experience of my 4 nights here. I did have to actually complain because in my original room, which was a garden view that overlooked bushes and overgrown hedges rather than a beautiful view of the garden, that was very disappointing. And on my worktop of my bathroom sink area, it was full of drink stains which could not be cleaned. So I'm not too sure why they were giving rooms to where the surface of the area wasn't actually clean, and there was a lot of mold in it there as well. But they did eventually move me after kind of like a long delay in moving me from one room to the other. And obviously I got this breathtaking view overlooking the resort and the stunning views of Grenada. So on Christmas Day, I was a little bit disappointed with the service. Well, not so much the service, the activities they had on the day, because I stayed at the Royalton Hotel in both Antigua and St Lucia, and on Christmas Day they usually have a lot of activities on the beach, a DJ playing, pool parties, competitions. But yesterday they had absolutely nothing. They had like maybe Santa Claus. Children could have their picture taken with Santa Claus, and there were some gifts for them. But otherwise, there was nothing really else going on. So that was, very, very disappointing. Speaking to some other guests, some of them are a little bit disappointed with their rooms or some of the service. I find the staff quite friendly and helpful here. And but this hotel is actually smaller than the resorts in St Lucia and Antigua, where they've got much more restaurants. And and their evening service here, entertainment, is not bad. But as I said, Christmas Day they could have done a lot better than what they actually did. So to sum up, would I actually stay here again? Probably not. If I did ever return to Grenada, I would probably try one of the other resorts just to experience something different to the Royalton. But that's just my review. So thank you for listening.